Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today, date is 18 January and I am teaching you chapter number 17. So, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So, in the previous video, student, we have completed the book exercise of this chapter, and the name of the chapter is the earth and sky. The earth and sky. Okay, so we have completed the book exercises of this chapter, student. That is question number A, tick the correct answer. Question number B, fill in the blanks. This also we have completed in our book in the previous video. Question number C, write true or false. This question also we have completed. Then question number D, give short answer to the following questions. So this question also we have completed in the previous video. So in today's video we will complete question number E, answer the following questions. Question number E, answer the following questions. Okay, so question number 1. Question number 1, what are satellites? How are they different from the star? What are satellite? Okay, what are satellite? How are they different from the stars? How they are different from stars. So we have already discussed this answer in a previous video. A body in space that move around a planet. ठीक है. So for example, I have already, even when I am teaching you the chapter, at that time I also explained you that the natural satellite of our planet Earth, that is the moon. Okay, what is moon? Moon is the natural satellite of our planet Earth. ठीक है. And how they differ from stars? Because they don't have their own light. Okay, on the other hand, star has their own light and heat. So this is the difference. So note down the answer. A body in space that moves around a planet. Okay, so what is satellite? A body in space that move around a planet. They are different from the star. They are different from the stars because stars star emits their own light. Whereas satellites do not have their own light and heat, and they orbit around the planet. They orbit around the planet. Okay, so body in space that moves around a planet, they are different from the star because star emits their own light, whereas satellites do not have their own light and heat, and they orbit around the planet. Okay, you can take a screenshot also. Next question, why is Earth called a special planet? Why is Earth called a why the Earth is called a special planet? Answer. So student, the Earth is called it a special planet because it is the only planet in the solar system. As we know that there are 8 planets present in our solar system. Okay, so out of these 8 planets, only life is possible on our planet, that is Earth. Okay, the life is only possible. The Earth is only planet where life exists. Okay, you can say this also. So note down the answer. The Earth is called it a special planet because Earth is called it a special planet because it is the only planet, because it is the only planet in the solar system known to have water and life. So why is Earth called it a special planet? The Earth is called it a special planet because it is the only planet in the solar system known to have a water and life. You can take a screenshot. Question number 3. Question 3. Why does a moon shine? Why does a moon? Okay. Now question number 3. Why does the moon shine? Okay. Why does the moon shine? Okay. And why does the moon seem to change its shape? Why does moon seem to change its shape? Okay. So why does the moon shine, student? The moon shine due to because it reflect the sunlight. And another thing, it is asking us, why does moon seem to change its shape? So the reason is that the moon, we see different phases of the moon. Okay, we see different phases of the moon. The reason is that moon is a natural satellite and it is moving around our planet अर्थ. ठीक है, ये मून जो है ये किसका चक्कर लगा रहा है? अर्थ का. तो इसका उतना ही पार्ट हमें विजिबल होता है विच इज लिट बाय द सन एट इज मूव्स अराउंड द सन. ठीक है, ये सन क्या, एज इट मूव्स अराउंड द अर्थ, तो ये अर्थ का चक्कर लगा रहा है. ठीक है, तो इसके जिस पार्ट पे सन की रेज जाएंगी, रिफ्लेक्ट होंगी, तो इसीलिए हमें पूरा मून हर समय डिफरेंट फेजेस मून के दिखते हैं। पूरा मून एक बार होता है फिर वो शॉर्ट होता चला जाता है, क्योंकि ये अर्थ का राउंड लगा रहा है, तो इसके जिस पार्ट पे सन की लाइट जाती है वही रिफ्लेक्ट करती है। ठीक है, तो दैट इज द रीजन। नोट डाउन द आंसर। The moon shines because it reflects the sun's light. Okay, the moon seem to change its shape because we only see that part of the moon, that part of the moon which is lit by the sun. Okay, as it moves around the earth. Okay, so the answer is the moon shine because it reflects the sun's light. The moon seem to change its shape because we only see that part of the moon which is lit by the sun as it moves around the earth. जैसे डे नाइट फॉर्म होते हैं ना, डे नाइट, ये कैसे होता था? अर्थ के रोटेशन से। तो अर्थ के जिस पोर्शन पे सन की लाइट आती थी वहाँ तो डे होता था, और अर्थ का वो पोर्शन जहाँ उसकी लाइट ही नहीं जाती थी तो वहाँ क्या हो जाता था? नाइट हो जाता था। सो दैट इज द रीजन। अब मून क्या कर रहा है? राउंड ले रहा है। किसका? अर्थ का। ठीक है, तो सन के मून का जितना पोर्शन सन के लाइट के सामने आएगा तो उतना ही पोर्शन रिफ्लेक्ट होगा। दैट इज द रीजन हमें डिफरेंट फेजेस ऑफ मून देखने के लिए मिलते हैं। ठीक है, डिफरेंट फेजेस ऑफ मून वी सी। ठीक है, सो टुडे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड all the question answer of this chapter, that is chapter number 17. Student, hot question, high order thinking skill question is given. What is the difference between a planet and a star? तो what is the difference? planet क्या होते हैं? they move around the star. जैसे सोलर सिस्टम में स्टार का नाम क्या है? सन. so planet revolves around the sun. okay, and another thing is that planets do not have their own light. ठीक है, और अगर सन की बात करें तो सन हैव देयर ओन लाइट. सन emit their own light and heat also. Okay, thank you student.